In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a video clip to Google Drive in Google Vids. So first is of course open up your finished video project in Google Vids and make sure that everything is ready for export. Now at the top right, you'll see a share button. So beside it, click on the down or arrow down button. And here you'll see four export options. And from the options, choose Export to Drive. Just wait for the upload process to finish, and once done, you should see a status like this, which is a confirmation that your video is already saved in Google Drive. And from here, you can open it up and you'll be redirected instantly on its Google Drive's location, or you can also copy the link to share it with others. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.